Witches flying on their brooms, mixing candy, sweet perfumes. Skeletons go clack, clack, clack. Monsters do the jumping.
I made this Halloween video with a song. Pumpkins are dancing, witches are flying on their brooms, skeletons are jumping around, and basically all the Halloween characters are alive on screen. And here's the crazy part. I didn't animate or sing any of it myself. The whole thing was made with AI tools. Pretty cool, right? Halloween is right around the corner, and honestly, it's the best time to create fun, spooky content that can also earn you some dollars. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I made this kid's Halloween song video from scratch, and how you can do it too, even with zero music or animation skills. Let's get started. Step 1, writing the lyrics with ChatGPT. So every song starts with lyrics, and I'm not a songwriter, so I let ChatGPT handle that for me. The first thing I asked was, give me 5 creative ideas for spooky Halloween songs for kids. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT gave me some awesome options. The one I liked best was Pumpkin Patch Party. It just had that fun, catchy ring to it. Then I went a step further and said, now, write the lyrics for Pumpkin Patch Party. And ChatGPT instantly delivered a full set of lyrics. No stress, no hours spent rhyming words. The AI just did all the heavy lifting. The lyrics were playful, simple, and perfect for kids. So that became my starting point. Step 2, turning lyrics into a song with Suno AI. Okay, now we've got lyrics, but a song needs music. This is where Suno AI comes in. Here's exactly what I did. I went to sunoai.com, clicked Create Arrow Custom, then I pasted in the lyrics. For style, I picked something playful and magical, kind of a kid's beat. A little spooky, but not scary. If you scroll down, you'll see advanced options. Here's what I set. Vocal gender. I picked female, but you can choose male if you like. Weirdness, 50%. This keeps it creative, but not too random. Style influence, also 50%. Finally, I added the title of the song, Pumpkin Patch Party. And once I clicked Create, Suno instantly gave me a full track with vocals, instruments, everything included. No microphone, no music software, no band. Just copy, paste, and the song was ready. Honestly, this part blew me away because the result sounds like a real produced kid's song, and it only took a minute.
Ghosts and ghouls all join the band. In the pumpkin patch tonight, glowing faces shining bright, round and orange, big and small, pumpkins dance in one and all.
Step 4, generating images with Leonardo AI. Now, let's take those prompts and actually create the visuals. For this, I use Leonardo AI, which is honestly one of the best text-to-image tools right now. Here's the process. Go to the homepage and click Image. For the model, I chose Lucid Origin. You can select styles like cinematic or dynamic. I tried both, and they both looked great. Set generation mode to fast. Dimensions, 16:9, because that's the standard video ratio. Number of images, 4. Then I pasted in the first prompt from ChatGPT, clicked generate, and waited a few seconds. And wow, the results were so good. Leonardo gave me these colorful, cartoony Halloween scenes that were fun, festive, and just a tiny bit spooky, which is perfect for kids. The best part? Leonardo gives you free credits every day. So even if you don't want to pay, you can still generate new images daily. After generating all my scenes, I downloaded each image one by one. And at this point, I had everything I needed: lyrics, music, and visuals. Step 5, bringing images to life with PixVerse. Static pictures are great, but we want movement. So the next step was animating those images, and for that I used PixVerse AI. The nice thing is, PixVerse also gives you daily credits, and you can earn more just by logging in, inviting friends, or even watching a short ad. Here's how I animated each scene. Go to the homepage and click Generate Video. Choose Model V5. Duration, 5 seconds per clip. Ratio, 16:9. Upload one of the images and paste in the same prompt you use in Leonardo. In just a few seconds, PixVerse transformed the image into a short animated clip. The pumpkin started bouncing, the ghost floated across the screen, witches flew by on their brooms, and I didn't animate a single frame myself. I repeated this for all my images, one by one, until I had short animated clips for every part of the song. And once I downloaded everything, I basically had an animated music video ready to assemble. Paid shortcut, pro option. Now, if all this sounds like too many steps and you've got a little budget, there's a shortcut. You can use VO3. With VO, you just paste in your lyrics prompt and it creates the song and the video for you automatically. You don't have to do each step separately, it's one and done. It's not free, but it's definitely the fastest way if you want to save time.
Pumpkins glowing big and bright. Ghosts say boo, but not with fright. Cats go meow and owls go. Pumpkins glowing big and bright. Pumpkins glowing big and bright. Ghosts say boo, but not with fright. Cats go meow and owls go. Pumpkin.
Step 6. Editing everything in CapCut. Once I had my animated clips and the song, I went into CapCut to put it all together. Here's what I did. Imported all the animated clips, dropped the song onto the timeline, synced the clips with the lyrics, added transitions, little effects, and some finishing touches. Then I hit export, and just like that, I had a complete Halloween Kids song video ready to share. It looked polished, fun, and totally professional, even though it was 100% made with AI.
In the pumpkin patch tonight, glowing faces shining bright, round and orange, big and small, pumpkins dancing one and all. Zaylay pumpkin patch party, clap your hands.
And that's it. That's exactly how I created my Halloween Kids song video using AI step by step. From ChatGPT writing the lyrics, to Suno AI making the music, Leonardo generating the images, PixVerse bringing them to life, and finally editing everything in CapCut. The whole workflow is beginner friendly and doesn't require any special skills. I honestly had so much fun making this project, and I hope it inspires you to try it too. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI content creation tips, and let me know in the comments. What holiday or theme should I make a song about next? Thanks for watching, and happy Halloween!